Hey guys, welcome to my videos. So guys, today in this video, I'm going to show you how to fill a Form 88. That is the custom declaration form for Kenya Revenue Authority that is required by incoming passengers when they arrive in Kenya and they have to present it to the custom official. So before I proceed further, if you have not already subscribed to my channel, please go subscribe right now. So it's pretty simple to fill up guys. Name of passenger, surname, first name, passport details, gender, date of birth, date of arrival, your flight details, arriving from, countries visited in last 6 days, address where you're gonna stay, whether it's a hotel or residence, and city, phone number, city, email address. And declaration that do you really bring these items, animal, plant, residents and non-residents, spirits, liquor, perfume, toiletries, cigarettes, cigar, currency, goods of commercial value, filming equipment, your signature, date. This section is for official use, so don't worry about that. If you have any question about some particular items, you can always read this area. I don't have to, and it's a pretty simple form to present. So this is what is required, guys. Let me know like if there's anything that you're not clear of. Thanks for watching this. Please subscribe to the channel. Thank you.